Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how we prepared for our flight back to Ireland with their dog Mochi. 5 days before our flight, we went to the vet to get Mochi's vet health certificate and tapeworm treatment. Pets entering Ireland from non-EU countries like the Philippines would require the following. We already booked the compliance check before we flew to the Philippines. We also have the other requirements already. It was just the VHC and the tapeworm treatment that we had to get at the vets in the Philippines. The VHC is only valid for 3 days, and the tapeworm treatment must be administered no less than 24 hours or no more than 5 days before your arrival in Ireland. So we decided to get everything sorted a few days before the flight. For pets leaving the Philippines, the requirements include getting an export permit from the BAI. Unlike the import permit, you can't apply for the export permit online on their website. You have to travel to their office to apply for the export permit. Their office is located in Visayas Avenue in Quezon City. Getting an export permit is free of charge and is actually quite easy to get if you have all your documents sorted beforehand. Before you make your journey to the office, make sure you have the official and printed copies of your pet's microchip certificate, pet passport, vaccination records, and pet health certificate. Once you're inside the office, they will give you an export permit application that you will need to fill out. The people at the counter are really friendly and helpful, so if you don't understand anything, you can always ask them. Make sure you have completed the application correctly, double check for mistakes, and make corrections when needed. The last thing you want is for your application to get rejected and have to go back here to reapply for another permit. The office is also filled with printed information so you can look around while you wait for your turn. When it's your turn to be called up, just provide all the documents you have. The person at the counter will double check the application with you. Once the application is completed and approved, they will give you the official and printed copy of the export permit. You have to keep this safe as you will need to present this at the check-in desk at the airport and during the compliance check in Dublin. So that's basically it. If you want to know more, you can check the BAI's website, which I will link down below.